Hey, I didn't see you there. Welcome back to another So I Became a Dog video. So, in the last episode, we found the dead puppy, and now we had to give the girl some gasoline. And this guy, we talked to the pug. He said something about. So I found out the names and who's Tommy. Tommy is actually the girl. So So we tried talking to the pug, but he talked in dog language, so I couldn't understand him. You mutt. Seems like you've been close to Tommy. Tommy's my girl. Ooh, so you'd better not mess around with her. I'm planning to woof to her shortly. Of course, I woof her. So woof bugs will be enough to woof. Okay. So he says quite a bit of woof. So apparently it's his girl. That's Oh, apparently the pug's not hungry. I think his name's Jason. I don't know. Okay. Hey, pug. You mutt. Seems like Tommy's my girl, so better not mess around with her. I'm planning to propose to her shortly. What? Of course, I would need a present to give her. Say 1,000 bucks will be enough to capture her art. I need you to do me a favor this time as well. Haha. Just a dog and you're planning a proposal? A proposal? So let's try getting 1,000 bucks. That's definitely gonna be easy to do, because last time we had to get this Carl. Carl is the guy in the cage. We had to get Carl 500 bucks, so now we have to get 1,000 bucks. Okay, 1,000 bucks. That's quite a bit. I must fart. There must be a way quicker way to get bugs than farting. Can you say anything? One more jump and I'll die of exhaustion. Excuse me, help me out. I want to stop jumping when my body's not listening. If I go on like this, I'm going to die of exhaustion. Please stop me. I'll help. Phew, thanks, you saved my life. I should look for another way to become human. Oh, I should have said just die. That would have been so funny. Bugs? Oh, thank you. Okay. Oh, bugs, come back. Come back here, little bugs. Little boy, I want to look in your buggy pants. No, I shouldn't stop. That's really just disgusting. Why did I say that? So we are at 400 bucks. What am I doing with my life? All I'm doing as a dog is farting and getting this girl some stuff. That's a terrible way to live as a dog. I should be twerking as a dog, like. What? Never mind. That's weird. Okay, come here, bugs. Okay, it's 1,000 bucks. 1,000 bucks. Okay, let's give her the oil. Not first. Let's not give her. No. Thanks, young man. You saved my life. Okay. Hey there. She bit into the neck and shook it several times, and after confirming its death, she smiled and mumbled, "I'm going to eat all the dog food. It's mine. Someone else will die before long. Someone else will die." No, not the old dude. After this, I'm gonna go check on that woman. The one who killed her baby. And apparently shook it and smiled. And after it died, that's pretty messed Tommy who made my child like this. Oh, Tommy did that, not the mom. Okay. There was Tommy's fur at the scene of the accident. Teeth marks on the neck. How painful it must have been. I have to get out of here quickly and get back to Tommy. The jail key must be around here somewhere, Tommy. Near Tommy. Please, I beg you, please secretly bring the key to me. To do all I can to help her. Yes, I really do. Because I really feel sorry for her. After her baby died. Ooh la la. Did I already give her the gasoline? What? I thought I gave her the gasoline. Hi, Joy.
Can you understand them?
Yes, code 2, because there's a dog in jail. Because, that dog killed her baby.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. And I had to give her the baby's dead body, to the lady. Right now I'm trying to collect 1,000 bugs for him to propose to her.
Really?
Yes. Bugs. It's like a bunch of bugs come to me. Oh, that felt good. It smells bad now. Come at me, bugs.
You don't need to tap.
I know, but if you tap, it makes it faster. No, don't touch. It brings an ad. Okay. Loo la la. Loo la la. Hey. Who's next? I don't want to die.
What's that?
Where I found the dead dog.
Oh my gosh. Can you go in that room?
Yeah. I have the keys to all the
Open
rooms.
the drawers.
I have all the keys to all the rooms.
Oh, really? How?
I did quests to unlock them.
Go in the bathroom.
Bathroom is a waste of
You
time.
don't need to tap. See, look. See?
I know, but tapping makes it go faster. Come at me, bugs. Trying to collect 1,000.
Almost to it. Only one bug.
Farts make bugs come to you.
Yeah, I know.
And have I got in Bark with you?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, because Bark.
I know.
Okay, let's get after this bug. Yes, I got it.
All you know is E, or... All you know is E, right?
What do you mean E?
For the code. Or what is it?
That's 3. And I already got the code. The code was on the computer, and it was to unlock this door.
For the cell.
Yeah. No. It was to unlock this door, because this was blocking this.
Oh.
And I unlocked it with the computer. Can I do anything else on the computer? Oh, just another. See, the code was like, 4763. See, it was like that.
How do you figure it out?
Just some hard work.
I'm guessing.
Yes, a lot of guessing. And a lot of clues. Like the 4, the 7 came from there. And I think there's a 4 in the bathroom. I don't know. There's a 4 somewhere. Well, there's a 3 for the last one. And then, a 9 or a 6. But I forgot what the 4 came from. I think the 4 was a guess. Come at me, bugs. We just need 200 more bugs.
100 more.
Yes. Come to me, my beautiful bugs. And I got to 1,000. Okay. Wahaha. Oh yes, good work, Mutt. This is a reward in return for the bugs. I got an oil pump.
What's that?
I don't know. Because I have a gasoline tank, and it's for her because she wants it. Okay, so what do I do now? Please. Oh yeah, I have to find the key. It's around here somewhere. I got the gel key. Oh yes.
It's under.
It was under her bed. I have a good plan. First, with me from prison. I need to eat some more dog food.
Wake me out.
Yeah, no, she said woof, woof, woof. No, bark, bark. No, bark, 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 bark. Okay, I'm gonna try getting to 100.
100?
Yes.
Oh, no. Ruff, ruff.
That guy's fun. I think
Which guy, the jumping guy? Why isn't he jumping?
Because he was gonna die from exhaustion.
Really?
Yes. So I saved him by making him stop to jumping.
How? Oh, he's jumping.
Oh, that's weird. Maybe he jumps when he walks.
Yeah.
He's the nicest. This guy keeps on calling me a mutt, and telling me to get away from him. And this girl killed a puppy, and she keeps on making me do things. And
Wait, she did?
Yeah, she killed a puppy, and she never makes me. She makes me do things, but she never pays me. He's like, "Oh, can you do this for me?" And then she never gives me something in return. Everybody else gives me something in return, and he gives me power-ups. He also gives me tips. He also ups my speed. Can I understand you now? You got the key? I have a good plan. First, release me from prison, and then we will work together to throw Tommy in jail. Can't do it alone. I need your help. Let me know once you make up your mind. What should I do? Do you want to go catch Tommy with me now? Let's go. Get Tommy into prison. Tommy, you murderer. Why in the world did you kill my baby? I'll never forgive you. You can't beat the two of us. Be quiet and follow me. How cowardly of them to join hands. James, help me. Tommy? How dare you treat Tommy like that? Growl. Oh my gosh. We're beating each other up. Oh, I can't believe it. Haha, you stupid fools. Phew. What would I have done without you, James? Thanks, James. No problem. Hee hee. Tommy, would you like to go at me, huh? Shall I? Hee hee. Yes, ha ha ha. Ending 1.
Oh, that's ending 2. Find all the endings.
What? So guys, that was ending 2. I will see you guys in the next video.